Look there, sa mountain.
Ayun po. Laki.
Yes, there. Wow, a mountain. Oh. See the mountain, Kuya Kabu? Yes. I never seen that before.
I never been seen before too.
Hey, don't copy me. Don't copy my voice, Gaga.
Yes. Copy.
I
Continue
knew.
on North Luzon West Expressway for 20 kilometers.
Who's Boo Boo? That girl.
That girl is Woo Woo. Who?
That
Who's Woo
girl.
Woo? That girl?
His is his name. No, he's girl. He's a girl.
What did you say?
Hi.
I'm Woo Woo.
It's a dog. Ding. You like it? Ding 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 ding. We're going outside. Oh my God! Look at the flowers. So cute. Yeah. It's pink and well. I wanna get the flower. And no, I live in family. In your
Continue
family?
on North
Yes, I
Luzon
knew.
West Expressway for 19 kilometers.
I never get that when I climb in the tree. Because
Oh.
I'm height a jump. Height jump? Yeah. You want I see? I'm going to jump in the car. What? Are you going to jump the car there? No, I was because I'm not scared. It's so big a mountain. What is
Oh, ganda.
that? Mountain!
Yeah, you know. Ganda.
Wow.
So
Wow, so cool here. I wanna build my house on their house. And I'm putting some wood and some... I can make an igloo! No, I see the gold and the diamond and the iron and the ingredient. And secret gun? Yeah.
Continue on
I
North
want
Hey.
a
Luzon West
gun.
Expressway for 17
Isa.
kilometers.
Picture tayo.
Picture tayo. Picture tayo. Sana all nakita.
Kita naman yung baba mo eh.
Siya, nakita ba siya?
Hindi.
Hindi siya nakita.
Look, why it's some like a wave. There's some some
So
wheat.
big na, so big.
There's some wheat farm. Why it sound like a sheep?
Ay,
Isa pa.
Because in the
Isa pa.
farm.
Tara.
Because the wheel
Oh, isa pa.
and the stone and some
Kaya?
is the stone
Kaya,
and
kaya.
the wheel
Nang ano?
and like
Baka ingalin ka.
oh no, you are already in the town? Nope. Look here.
Ha?
Down here. You see
Umaakit ka?
that? Oh, no. We're going down.
Down, down,
So,
down, 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 down.
Oh, we're going down.
Oh, sa.
I'm so scared. Oh my God.
Hey.
Look here. It's down and up. Oh my God.
Ooh.
No.
Teka, yung kaya dyan.
Bubo.
Video tayo.
Oh my God.
Nakakalula. Bababa.
Ito lang pipindutin yung
Look at
puti.
forest here.
Ayun
And
na.
there's the jungle.
Oh,
Bababa.
ayun na. Hey.
Tatay, kasama kami.
Kaya mo yung mukha nyo tayo. Layo nyo pa.
Go up.
Nakita ka kaya?
Wow, some mountain here.
Hindi
I wanna go
Picture.
here. And I gonna wanna
Oh,
survive.
Plastic pa itong ano.
Tatay, sumama ka na.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Oh, bilis isa.
Water si Beth. Ay,
Continue on North
Bakit
Luzon
yan,
West
guys?
Expressway for 15
Oh no.
kilometers.
Oh no.
Oo, pababa
I
na.
don't wanna go. I'm scared.
Diyan sa tinakpan
Do you know that it's,
Mukha niya.
it's taking over? Because
Tiniko.
oh no, I think we're going down.
Tiniko
Ano
ba?
ba? Saan ba si ate? Oh. Ay, kuya na.
Wala.
Nay. Ayun na.
Yan, patay. Yan. Oh, hindi kita. Ngayon kita kayo.
Where we
Okay.
going printer in the jungle?
Kasi isa. Isa.
One, two,
Three.
three.
Yun.
Picture.
Look here. Some grass.
Dito naman.
Picture lang.
Dungaw-dungaw lang.
Ha?
Expressway for 15 kilometers.
Ay, dito naman dungaw-dungaw lang.
I don't wanna be.
Hindi nakaayos yung ano mo, CCTV mo.
The mountain. Yeah. Wow.
So big mo.
What's so big?
So big na.
Look at the view. Look at the view. What is that for her? Look at the view. No, view.
Tubig amin ang...
Ito yung pool, oh. Ito yung pool dun sa ano, oh. Sa ano, yung sa sa ano. Sa Patricia Court, ayan, oh. Ganyang kalalim. Ayan, oh. Ito yung sa Patricia Court, oh. Yung tsaka, oh.
Sino yung babae?
Jowa ni Papa Lance.
Ayaw na jawan.
Oo. Ayan yung ano, oh. Ayan yung pool, ang laki, di ba, mahal?
Yung dapat ko
Yung nakita mo na to, di ba?
Yung dapat ko ano.
Ayan, yun.
Where about ako? That sound is raining. No, it's a sea.
Para mas maganda yung video mo sa kabila. Sa dito.
Anong gusto mo dapat balik tayo?
Mambong ba ito? Baka mambong yan.
Nakatapat kayo sa kaya yan. Binawakan ko para makita mo yung kabila.
Oo. Oh, it's raining. It's the raining of Manila. Hey! It's raining, man. Hallelujah. It's raining. Don't do that to me because you're sweating. You're sweating in Manila.
No.
Ano po? Sigap po.
No.
Nakasakira yung cellphone ko.
Not a many house here.
Uy! Nakatapat kay Shakira yun. Nakatapat
Tabingilid po.
Nakatapat kay ate sa ay kay ate Marisa kay siya kay.
And I will cold. Yeah. We are in mountain. We are mountain.
Sorry
Also
naman,
mountain.
sila yung nakahawak ng cellphone ko. Ano mo?
You wanna idol? And but it's raining.
Tawa
I
yan.
can walk. And I can.
Yun lang ha, sa kabilang ano ha, tungo nila. Kasi para makita mo yung ano, kabilang